Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Outlook Classic on your Windows 11. So this is what you do. You either go to office.com, okay, you go ahead and get Microsoft 365, which it has right here under the product section. You'll see Outlook. So you can get Outlook right here. You can download it as well from here. Just straight up click on download and go to the Microsoft Store and do the download from there. Or what you could also do is you could go ahead, so as you can see I have this installed, you could go ahead and install the Office 2021, 2019, or 2016. So download these, which is what I'm using as well. So Office 2021, which includes Outlook. So once you have the app, you just go ahead and come to the top left, click on File, click on Add an Account, and just go ahead and sign into your email address. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to App Mentor.